Alright, so this one I don't have any internet. So this we're going to show you all these transmissions. And I'll just post this video up. Oh my god, look at these. Look at these. Got the old engines. Now we're getting it done, boy. Now we're getting it done. Look at all these. Holy cow. That's the N14. There's the red top N14. Nice. Big old cat. Got cams. Got cams. Look at this up polished up turd. Detroits. These old Detroits. All these cats, man. Look at that, baby. Wonder what he's wanting for an engine. I'll just buy an engine down here. If the motherfuckers can yank them out, they can put them in, right? Look at that. I mean, this is what you call an N-top, N14, I'm guessing. I'm guessing. And you got your trash R. Got your Max. Got a butt ton of old Cummins, baby. Butt ton of Cummins. Then you got whatever all these are. What are these? Rear ends? No. Yeah, rear ends. Got this green thing. Whatever this green was, that Volvo? Yeah. Cummins galore. Got the old International. Another Volvo. Detroits. How about that, boys? So you get 285 rear ends, 308s. You got it all. 391s. Cam after cam. I wonder how much that red top is from that crashed out Peterbilt. Look at this crank. There's that X15 crank. Goodness. Goodness. How about this bad boy? Huh? I'd like to get one of those N14s, but I gotta learn how to change injectors first. From what I understand, those you need to have, you gotta have quite a few experiences in doing that. All these, what are these, yokes? Bunch of yokes. You got it all, baby. Those engines are very impressive. Just hordes of them. Hordes of them. And then the refrigerators and the ECMs. All these gauges. This place is like, this is like a little treasure trove. It really is. It is. So we'll catch you on the next one.